Hello, this is Madison Layler, and I'd like to thank you for listening to our heuristic evaluation of Spirit.com. This presentation was prepared for Spirit Airlines IT department by the following students from Florida International University: Madison Layler, Sebastian Montoya, and Javier Espinosa. This presentation evaluates Spirit Airlines website, Spirit.com, using Jacob Nielsen's heuristic principles. Now, what is Spirit.com? Spirit.com is the official website for Spirit Airlines. This airline company is known for its budget-friendly and low-cost tickets. Conducting a heuristic evaluation on the site is essential, as on it, there's a lack of feedback provided for users. The site is cluttered and has inconsistent interactive content designs, and many users have commented on the site's errors that show when trying to book a flight. A heuristic evaluation is a usability inspection used to help identify issues within a user interface to improve user experience. The following 5 usability heuristics from Jacob Nielsen will be used to conduct this heuristic evaluation: visibility of system status, consistency and standards, aesthetic and minimalist design, error prevention, and help and documentation. The first heuristic to be discussed is visibility of system status. Visibility of system status is when the interface's design keeps users updated on what's going on through feedback. Unfortunately, Spirit.com struggles to satisfy this heuristic, as users lack clear feedback when the system is loading. Loading animations when switching tabs aren't consistently used through the site. A more uniform and visible loading icon will help users understand that their request is being processed. Consistency and standards is when users shouldn't have to assume if different situations, words, or actions mean the same thing. On Spirit.com, some buttons, when pressed, have the same result. Despite this, they have different labels, hindering user experience. Now, not only does this hinder user experience, it also delays the process of checking in, as well as other functions that you'll see in our written report. Now, I'll be handing this over onto Sebastian.
Thank you, Madison. So beyond the user experience being hindered, there is aesthetic and minimalist design. For example, the homepage has too many banners and colors, and important information is buried and difficult to find. Error prevention. Users can make mistakes like booking return flights earlier than departure. The system doesn't always flag these errors. In this image, we can see an error message, but it doesn't specify to the user what caused the error message, nor how the user can resolve that error message. The help and documentation section is hard to find and overwhelming. Articles are long and hidden behind multiple clicks. Articles consist of technical and overcomplicated terms that are difficult for users to understand. According to usability.gov, good user design consists of user feedback, it's clean, focused, content, and consistent navigation. We compared it to other airline websites like JetBlue.com, which we noticed that they offer a cleaner interface, better navigation, and visual guidance. Spirit.com does lack these advantages. As you can see in these two images, we're comparing Spirit and JetBlue homepage. Some of the things we should point out from Spirit is the promotional banners, the bright yellow color. It's crowded and has a loud homepage. JetBlue, on the other hand, is aesthetically pleasing, cleaner appearance, and it's straightforward. We came up with a redesign proposal, as you can see here, and the redesign proposal consists of putting the promotional banner at the bottom of the homepage, pretty much removing that, give it a white background instead of yellow, and reduction of unnecessary bold font of subheading. We find that this will be more aesthetically pleasing for the user and give an overall better user experience. I want to go ahead and give it over to Javier.
Thanks, Sebastian. So here's just some recommendations that we can do. Add clear loading indicators. Use consistent button labels. Reduce homepage clutter. Add live chat help. Implement features from competitors like JetBlue. Conclusion: Spirit.com has potential, but it needs improvement despite its strength. The inconsistent designs, poor loading on load pages, and cluttered homepage add confusion and frustration for users. Applying the recommendations listed in the presentation and following the 5 heuristics will improve the site, making it more enjoyable for customers. Enhancing usability will improve user trust, reduce frustration, and increase sales. Thank you. Have any questions? Please contact us at Spirit Airlines IT Department. Thank you.